Hello students, I am Selvarani. Now we are going to see 10th standard Maths chapter 1 Relations and Functions. Relation and function is nothing but the extent concept of sets. First we study relation and function. Before we should know about set. What is set? A set is a collection of well defined distinct object. The definition of set is a set is a collection of well defined distinct object. See here the two words is very important, well defined and distinct. Okay, now let us take one example. The set A is equal to set of all natural number less than 10. We know that the natural number starts from 1. Here the condition is given, the set of all natural number less than 10 means we take the number 1 to 9. For example, the set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is well defined. We know that the natural number starts from 1. We take the set of all natural numbers less than 10 means we take the natural numbers from 1 to 9. This is well defined object. One more example, let the set B, set of all vowels in your English alphabet. What are the vowels in your English alphabet? Yes, A, E, I, O, U. Here the elements occurs only one time. For example, A occurs only one time, E, I, O, U. This is distinct. The element should not be repeated in the set. Here this 1 to 9 is a set of all natural numbers less than 10. The another set is the set of all vowels in English alphabet A, E, I, O, U. This is well defined and distinct element. This is the example of set. Next we are going to see set operations. Set union, set intersection, set difference. Here A union B, that is A and B are two non-empty set. The elements in A union B is the elements either in A or in B or in both A and B. The set A and B are two non-empty set. The elements in A union B is the elements in either A or B or both A and B. Next, set intersection. Here A intersection B. Here A and B are two non-empty set. The elements in A intersection B is the elements in A and B, both A and B. Then next, set difference. A difference B. A and B are two sets. The elements in A difference B is the elements should belongs to A, does not belongs to B. A difference B means the elements only in A, not in B. This is A difference B. Next, we are going to see Cartesian product of two sets A and B. இப்போ Cartesian product பத்தி நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னா அதுக்கு முன்னால ordered pair. What is ordered pair? What is ordered pair? Ordered pair is nothing but we write the pairs of number in particular order. Such the pair is called ordered pair. It indicates the location. For example, 2, 3. Already we learnt in lower class how to plot the points in the graph sheet. 2, 3. Here we take 2 is the x coordinate, 3 is the y coordinate. We plot the point in the graph sheet. For example, here this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is x axis. This is y axis. Here how to plot the point 2, 3. Here the x coordinate is 2 and the y coordinate is 3. The 2 point intersecting, this is this position. It indicates the location. So this is 2, 3. Then we plot the points 3, 2. How to? We take the x coordinate is 3 here and the y coordinate is 2. The both line intersect at here 3, 2. Here this point is 2 comma 3, this point is 3 comma 2. Here these 2 points has 2 different position. So from this example, the ordered pair 2 comma 3 is not equal to 3 comma 2. Next we are going to see Cartesian product of two sets. Here Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B is equal to Cartesian product la உள்ள இருக்கக்கூடிய elements எப்படி இருக்கும்னா ordered pair ஆ இருக்கும். எப்படி இருக்கும்னா A comma B such that the element A belongs to the set A, the elements B belongs to the set B. That is, if A and B are two non-empty sets, then the set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B is called Cartesian product. That is, A cross B is equal to the ordered pair A comma B. This elements belongs to the set A and the second elements belong to second set B. This is the Cartesian product. For example, let us take the set A, B, the set B. Now we find Cartesian product A cross B is equal to the element assigned with this element in ordered pair, that is A comma B such that this element A belongs to A comma this element B belongs to the set B. This is the Cartesian product. So before that set union, set intersection, set difference லாம் பார்த்திருக்கோம். set union ல A union B குள்ளார வரக்கூடிய elements தான் வரும். பட் இங்க Cartesian product ல வரக்கூடிய elements set of ordered pair வரும். In general, A cross B is not equal to B cross A, but n of A cross B is equal to n of B cross A. That is, A cross B and B cross A is not equal, but cardinal number of A cross B and the cardinal number of B cross A is equal. A cross B is empty set if and only if either A is empty set or B is empty set. Then the third rule is, if n of A is equal to P, then n of B is equal to Q, then n of A cross B is equal to P into Q. This is the general form. A cross B is not equal to B cross A, but the cardinal number is equal. A cross, the Cartesian product of A and B is empty set or B is empty set. If n of A, cardinal number of the set A is P and the cardinal number of set B is Q, then the Cartesian product is, we multiply these two numbers, that is P into Q. See the first example. If the set A is given 1, 3, 5 and the set B is given 2, 3, then find A cross B and B cross A. Second one is A cross B. If A cross B is equal to B cross A, if not Y. Then third one is show that n of A cross B is equal to n of B cross A is equal to n of A cross n of B. First we find the first one. What is given? The set A is equal to 1, 3, 5 and the set B is equal to 2, 3. First we have to find A cross B. Here the first set is A. So we write the first set. The elements of first set is 1, 3, 5 cross. Here the set is B. Write the elements of B, 2, 3. Now we cross these two sets. First we take this element 1, we write the ordered pair 1, 2. That is 1, 2. Then we take this first element and take the second element 1, 3. We write in the ordered form. Cartesian product, the elements in the Cartesian product is set of ordered pair. So first we take the first element assigned with the first element of B, that is 1, 2, 1, then assign the second element 3, 1, 3. Then we take the second element and the first element 3, 2, then 3, 3. Next we take the third element 5 comma, here the first element is 2, then 5 comma 3. This is equation number 1. Then B cross A. First we write the set B. What is the set B? 2 comma 3 and 1 comma 3 comma 5. Now we multiply these two numbers using the Cartesian product. See here, the first element is 2 and here the first element is 1. We write in the ordered pair 2 comma 1, then 2 comma 3, then 2 comma 5, then 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 5. This is equation number 2. Here the first one is find A cross B and B cross A. Here the first one is A cross B is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3. Then B cross A is 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. Yes. What is the second one? Is A cross B is equal to B cross A? If not, why? Here the first element of A cross B is 1 comma 2. Here the first element of B cross A is, here the first element of A cross B is 1 comma 2. Here the first element of B cross A is 2 comma 1. Here the elements are different. So these two ordered pair is not equal. So A cross B is not equal to B cross A. The elements are different. So A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Then the third one is show that n of A cross B is equal to n of B cross A is equal to n of A cross n of B. See here, this is A cross B. N of A cross B means how many elements in the set A cross B. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ordered pair. So third one is n of A cross B is equal to 6 elements. N of B cross A. See here B cross A, how many ordered pairs in this set B cross A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements. Then what is the set? Number of elements in the set is here 1, 2, 3. 3 elements. So n of A is equal to 3. Number of elements in the set B is 2. Now we have to show that n of A cross B. What is n of A cross B? N of A cross B is 6. N of B cross A is equal to 6. N of A cross n of B is equal to n of A is 3, n of B is 2, 3 2s are 6. N of A cross B is equal to 6, n of B cross A is equal to 6, n of A cross n of B is equal to 3 2s are 6. So hence we show that n of A cross B is equal to n of B cross A is equal to n of A cross n of B. The next example 1.2. Here if A cross B is equal to 3 comma 2, 3 comma 4, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 4, then find A and B. Here the Cartesian product is given, we find the elements in the set A and B. See the element in A, the set of all first coordinate of element of A cross B. A cross B la irukkudiya first element la set A la irukku. First element la set A la irukku. So 3, 3. The element should not be repeated. So we write only once, 1 times. So 3 comma 5. B is equal to the set of all second coordinate of element in the set A cross B. Bங்கிற செட்டுக்குள்ள என்னென்ன எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா இதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய செகண்ட் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் செட் பிக்குள்ளே இருக்கும். வாட் இஸ் திஸ்? 2, 4, again we get 2. So this is A is nothing but set of all first element of A cross B. B is nothing but set of all second element of set A cross B. Next example 1.3. Let the set A is given x belongs to natural number such that 1 less than x less than 4. The set B is given x belongs to whole number such that 0 less than or equal to x less than 2 and C is equal to x belongs to natural number, the value of x is less than 3. Here we have to verify that A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. See here the set A, B, C is not given straightly. So, here we have to find the elements in the sets of A. See here, what is the set A? X is a natural number. Natural number starts from 1, but here the condition is given, the x value is greater than 1. So, we don't take, here less than is given, less than or equal to means we take 1, otherwise here we won't take 1. So, 2, 3, less than 4. Suppose if we given less than or equal to 4, we take 4. Otherwise less than 4 means we don't take 4. So, the elements of the sets A is 2, 3. Then B is equal to x belongs to whole number. Whole number starts from 0. Here the condition is also given equal to. So, we take 0, 1. Here 2 is the x value is less than 2. So, we take 0 and 1. Then the set C is equal to x belongs to natural number less than 3. So, less than 3, the natural number 1, 2, less than 3 means we take 1 and 2 only. First one, verify that A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. See, here we have to verify that A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross B, A cross C. First we take the left hand side A cross B union C. Idhula first B union C enna kandupidikalam. What is the set B? 0, 1 union the set C is 1, 2. B union C means we combine the elements B and C. We write the elements in B or in C or in both. See here we take 0, we write the elements 0, 1, 2. Here 0 is in B but not in C, we have to write B union C. The element 1 is both B and C, we have to write only one time. We don't to write 2 times. Here the elements 2 in C but not in B, we can write in the union. So, B union C is B la irukkakoodiya element, C la irukkakoodiya element either in B or in C or in both. Ella elementayum combine panni ezhudano, elements repeat agakudadu. This is B union C. Then A cross B union C. What is the set A? 2, 3 cross B union C, we have to find this. What is this? Already we find 0, 1, 2. Now, using the Cartesian product of these two sets, we write in the ordered pair. So, first we take the first element with first element of the set B, B union C. That is, we write 2, 0. Then first element with second element 2, 1. First element with third element 2, 2. Then we take the second element with first element, that is 3, 0. Then second element to second element. So, second element to third element. This is equation number 1. Next we take A cross B or HS. A cross B union A cross C. First we have to find A cross B is equal to, what is the set A? 2, 3 cross the set B is 0, 1. Now, here we write these two sets in order pair. So, first we take 2, 0, then 2, 1, 3, 0, 3, 1. Then we have to find A cross C. What is the set A? 2 comma 3 into cross 1 comma 2. Using the Cartesian product, the first element, we write the ordered pair with the first element with the first element 2 comma 1, first element with the second element, then second element with the first element 3 comma 1, then 3 comma 2. Then we take union A cross B union A cross C is equal to, what is A cross B? Here already we find that 2 comma 0, then 2 comma 1, 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1 union 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2. Now A cross B union A cross C. See, A cross B is 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1 union A cross C. The element of A cross C is 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2. Now we take union of these two sets. See here 2 comma 0. Union என்ன அப்படின்னா காமனாக இருக்கக்கூடிய எலிமெண்ட்டே எழுதணும், காமனாக இல்லாத எலிமெண்ட்டே எழுதணும். இப்போ ஆக்சுவலாக 2 comma 0 A cross Bயில் இருக்குது, பட் A cross Cயில் இல்லை. பட் we can write 2 comma 0 in A cross B union A cross C. Then 2 comma 0, here 2 comma 1, here 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1 ரெண்டு செட்டிலுமே இருக்குது, பட் we write only one time. Then 3 comma 0, then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1 ரெண்டு செட்லி இருக்கு, but we write only one time. Then here 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2 A cross ல இருக்கு, but A cross B ல இல்ல, ஆனாலும் நம்ம எழுதலாம். Then 3 comma 2. This is equation number 2. Equation 1 2 comma 0, equation 2 லியும் 2 comma 0 இருக்கு, equation here 2 comma 1 இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் 2 comma 1 இருக்கு, இங்கே 2 comma 2 இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் 2 comma 2 இருக்கு, 3 comma 0 இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் 3 comma 0 இருக்கு, இங்கே 3 comma 1 இருக்கு, here also we have 3 comma 1, here we have 3 comma 2, here also 3 comma 2. So from equation 1 and 2 to A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C, hence verified. See example 1.3 la second one, A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Here the LHS is, first we take LHS left hand side A cross B intersection C. First we have to find B intersection C. The elements of B, set B 1 comma 1 intersection 1 comma 2. Intersection means we take only the common element, that is in the set B is 0 comma 1, here the set C is 1 comma 2. The both set we have the common element only 1. This is B intersection C. Then A cross B intersection C is equal to the elements 2 comma 3 cross 1, B intersection C. Now we do the Cartesian product, we write in ordered pair, first we take 2 and 1, that is 2 comma 1, then we take 3 comma 1. This is equation number 1. Then we take right hand side A cross B intersection A cross C. First we have to find A cross B is equal to, what is the set A? 2 comma 3 cross 0 comma 1. We write in ordered pair, first we take 2 with 0, 2 comma 0, then take 2 with 1, 2 comma 1, then 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1. Then we take A cross C. The set A is 2 comma 3 cross 1 comma 2. We do the Cartesian product, we cross these two sets 2 comma 1, first we write in ordered pair, first we write 2 comma 1, then 2 comma 2, Then we write 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2. Now we take A cross B intersection A cross C. We take intersection of these two sets. What is A cross B? What did we find? That is 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1. Intersection, what is this set? 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2. Now we take intersection. Intersection means we take only the common elements. Here, what is the common elements? Here 2 comma 0 in the set A cross B, but not in the set B cross A. So you want to take this element, then 2 comma 1 in the set A cross B and 2 comma 1 in the set B cross A. So we take 2 comma 1, then 3 comma 0 is only in A cross B, you won't take, then 3 comma 1 in both A cross B and B cross A. So we write 3 comma 1. This is equation number 2. See here, the first equation is left side, A cross B intersection C is 2 comma 1 and 3 comma 1, A cross B intersection C and A cross intersection C. The right hand side element is 2 comma 1 and 3 comma 1. So LHS equal to from equation 1 and 2, LHS equal to RHS, that is A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C, hence verified. Okay students, example sums are over. We will see the exercise sums in the next class. Thank you students.